Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, it is not very easy for the commerce stream students to choose any college to continue their studies. As they are well focused about their future, they will definitely want to get admitted in a reputed BBA college. While many of them want to know which college is best for their further studies and how much marks can lead them to a good BBA college. So in this video, I will discuss about top BBA colleges across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. To know further details of the app, you have to watch the video till end. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about Loyola College in Chennai. Loyola College Chennai is an autonomous college affiliated to University of Madras and was established in the year 1925. It is one of the oldest colleges in India offering education in the field of science, arts, commerce, computer application and many more. The college is awarded as College of Excellence for best practicing in teaching and research, as a result of which the college comes along the top colleges in India. Conferred as the College of Excellence by UGC, Loyola has been accredited with A grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council or the NAAC. Loyola College Chennai is ranked 6th in the college category in the National Institutional Ranking Framework 2019 by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Further, it has been ranked amongst the top 10 colleges in the country for the last 18 years since 2002 by India Today. Loyola College Chennai provides the candidates with the services like Campus Ministry, Student Counseling Center, Training and Placement Cell, Center for Women's Studies, RCDA Center for Differently Abled Students, Loyola Student Support Services or the LSSS. The college celebrates all the events viz. Independence Day, Teachers Day, Department Festivals, Placement Day, Graduation Day, Sports Day, Women's Day, Environment Day, College Day. The college has a coat of arms which consists of the shield divided into 4 quarters with a torch and an open book motif. The yellow-colored crest shows sunshine, joy and happiness. The primary aim of the college is to provide the education of the university to deserving Christian students and especially to the Catholic Christian students. So let's talk about this college's infrastructure and transportation. The entire campus is Wi-Fi enabled and the network is reasonable considering the campus is over 90 acres. Labs are quite well maintained and there is always new work ongoing to improve them and build new facilities. Sporting infrastructure is functional and decent without being very good. The central library is rather large and contains among the largest book collections libraries in the state have. There is a golf cart shuttle for disabled students with transport outside the campus being no trouble whatsoever with autos, share autos and buses freely available from the gate and the local train station adjacent to the campus. The hostel is quite old and fees are depending upon the mess. PGs are cheap for students. The students get variety of South Indian food and it's cheap only. Classrooms of the new building of Commerce and Economics department is too good whereas other departments' classroom are also fine. PhD lab for Chemistry department is very good. Library is too big and can get good books of standard authors. Dining halls is well standard. Hostel and college are fully Wi-Fi facilitated and the infrastructure of Loyola College is one of the best in India. Located in Chennai, Loyola College is an autonomous college which provides quality education for the students to develop their skills and knowledge. The aim of the college is to educate young men and women so that they could bring the desired changes for the improvement of the country. The college helps build students to be competent, committed, creative and compassionate citizens. Loyola College Chennai offers 67 courses in various disciplines and specializations. The main courses offered are Bachelor of Commerce or BCom, Bachelor of Science or BSc, Bachelor of Arts or BA, Master of Science or MSc, Master of Arts or MA, Master of Computer Application or MCA, and Doctor of Philosophy or PhD. Loyola College Chennai offers BA in Economics, Sociology, English Literature, Tamil Literature, French Literature and History. BSc in Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, Statistics, Visual Communication and Computer Science. Next we will talk about Loyola College BCom course and fees. The Bachelor of Commerce degree is designed to provide students with a wide range of managerial skills while building competence in a particular area of business. Most universities therefore plan the degree such that in addition to their major, students are exposed to general business principles, taking courses in accounting, finance, economics, actuarial studies, business management, human resources and marketing. Some programs also require business statistics and calculus and information system. Duration of the BCom course is 3 years and fees is around Rs 38,000. Next we will know about Loyola College BA course and fees. A Bachelor of Arts is a bachelor's degree awarded for an undergraduate program in the arts and sciences. A Bachelor of Arts is generally completed in 3 years. Fees of the BA course in Loyola College varies from Rs 30,000 to 34,000. Next we will know about the BA course and fees. A Bachelor of Science is a bachelor's degree awarded for programs that generally last for 3 to 5 years. The Bachelor of Science degree is usually more focused on that particular discipline and is targeted towards students intending to pursue graduate school or a profession in that discipline. Duration of the BSc course is 3 years and the fees varies from Rs 11,000 to 50,000. Next we will talk about the BCA course and fees. Bachelor of Computer Applications or the BCA is a 3-year undergraduate degree course in India. With a BCA, students can study for a Masters in Computer Application. The BCA is a common degree for CS or IT students at Indian universities and is an alternative to the engineering counterpart, the BE or BTech in Computer Science and Engineering or IT, which requires 4 years of study. It is a technical degree that prepares students for a career in the field of computer applications and software development. This being a professional course, even non-math students can also opt for this course. So duration of the course is 3 years and fees is around Rs 1,44,000. Next is the MSc course and fees. A Master of Science is a master's degree in the field of science awarded by universities in many countries or a person holding such a degree. In contrast to the Master of Arts degree, the Master of Science degree is typically granted for studies in sciences, engineering and medicine and is usually for programs that are more focused on scientific and mathematical subjects. So the duration of the MSc course is 2 years and fees is around Rs 12,000. Next is the MCA course and fees. Duration of the MCA course is 3 years and fees is around Rs 59,000. Loyola College in Chennai also has an entrance exam named TANCET or TANCET for the Master of Computer Application or the MCA program. At next, we will know about this college's eligibility criteria. Loyola College offers numerous courses under multiple disciplines. All these courses have different eligibility criteria and selection procedures. For BA, BCom, BSc, BVoc, BCA and BMM, the candidates must have completed 10+2 examination from a recognized university with relevant subjects. For MA, the candidate must have completed 10+2 examination with English as a subject from a recognized university. The candidate must have completed a bachelor's degree. For MCom, the candidate must have completed BCom from a recognized university. For MSc, the candidates must have completed BSc from a recognized university. For MVoc and MPhil, the candidate must have completed an undergraduate degree from a recognized university. For MCA, the candidates must have completed BCA from a recognized university. For PhD, The candidates must have completed post-graduation degree. The Loyola College has many numbers of students placed every year in this college. The college explores the avenues for employment of students in reputed organizations. The students get a lot of off-campus opportunities with external inputs as well as contacts with industries and alumni. The college in every year the maximum number of students is placed in various reputed companies. The Loyola College Placement Cell has to empower them with communicative abilities to the students. The placement cell also to enrich them with how to grab the leadership skill qualities in training for them. The Loyola College has given training and soft skill to one daily are given for few hours and equip them with life coping skills. The college placement cell has given for any information for the students to helpful for them ever since its inception. The placement cell of ITER has created its impression by striking a right balance between academics and industry. It strongly believes in the adage, nothing less than the industry best. Its constant endeavor in preparing its graduating engineers and MCA graduates in the field of technology have been an epitome of success over a period of time. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Friends, recently we launched our study app. In the app, you will get college information, career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will also get the app download link in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about the college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then,